Hello, welcome to our Intelligence Workshop. These are our multi-group roller brush sanding and polishing machines. A multifunctional grinding and polishing device designed to address the challenges in your production process. One machine with multiple functions covering all tasks. It can handle everything from the rough grinding of raw wood, the precise polishing of primers, to the processing of irregular surfaces on engraved or carved panels, as well as surface preparation before painting. Whether it's solid wood, particle board, or veneered materials, it can easily deal with regular surfaces, irregular shapes, curved surfaces, and flat surfaces alike. Double the efficiency and significant cost reduction. Automated grinding and polishing result in much higher efficiency compared to manual methods. It reduces the reliance on skilled craftsmen, helping to overcome the problems of difficulty in finding workers and high labor costs. Low energy consumption, high returns. The optimally designed power system has extremely low energy consumption. Saving on electricity costs means pure profit. The fully enclosed chassis allows for the connection of dust removal equipment, thereby improving the working conditions in the workshop and meeting the requirements of environmental inspections.